Hey folks, this is Wesley billion dollar virgin. Let's go. So I know what you guys thinking. Wesley, why are you using that obnoxious voice? So somebody in the comments below said, Wesley, can you use like a baby voice? Because I love when you say Wesley billion dollar virgin. So guess what? In the comments below, if you want me to use a different voice when I say Wesley billion dollar virgin, comment below and I'll do that for you. But guess what? I got a great video for you right now. You're going to make money online right now. Okay, I'm going to show you how to make up to $16,000 and more using free images. It's a new website. We've never, ever talked about that. Now, listen, you have never seen anything like this before. You need no money, no experience, no nothing. All you need is your fingers, okay? And if you like French fries, smash that like button, baby. If you like French fries. Now, listen, if you don't like French fries, then I don't know what's wrong with you. But listen here, I want to be honest with you. All you need to do is listen to everything in the video. I'm going to go very quickly here. I'm not going to BS. I'm going to give you the money-making online strategy. You can use free images. I'm going to give you the images. I'm going to give you everything that you need in the video, no BS, so you can start making money tonight, tomorrow, or whenever you want to make the money right now. First step is this. Oh, and don't forget, go ahead and smash the like button. Sub to the channel every single day. A new video of Wesley billion dollar virgin. Let's go. Because it's time for you to get rich, baby. Let's go. So the site is basically go to templatemonster.com. Listen, templatemonster.com. This site is like a Fiverr. It's like a peoplesperhour.com. And it's incredible because many people don't know about it. I mean, I'll be honest with you. And listen, this is what I've used back in the day when I was struggling financially, just like you, trying to make money online, reading books, reading self-help books, going to seminars. And I realized that people are using very simple methods like this to make money online and was free. It didn't take a lot of time because I had a job. I was looking to quit my job, but this helped me eventually learn what I need to do to make millions of dollars. And I'm going to share that with you right now. So this is all you need to do. Go to templatemonster.com. As you can see, they have Shopify templates, WordPress, HTML. But what we're going to focus on is this. Go to all products. Follow me. Now listen, for this to work, 1, you got to pay close attention. 2, you got to listen. 3, do it with me. Don't just watch me and listen to me and not do it with me because you're going to miss something. And I want you to get it now, okay? Does that make sense? I want you to get it now. All right, so look, go to graphics here, scroll to resume templates, and no, you don't have to be a professional resume template. As a matter of fact, you don't have to have a job at all, and it'll still work for you. But let me show you something, because I know what you guys are thinking. Well, Wesley, you said $16,000. Prove it to me. Okay, here we go. This guy, if you scroll down here, if I click on best sellers here, this guy right here, he is selling a resume template right now for $19. It's a free account, right? And he has sold over 851 of these things, which is about $16,000. And that's not even the best part. Listen up. He doesn't have any reviews. Oh my God, no reviews at all. And listen, if you keep watching, I'm going to show you how to get a flood of people taking your resumes right now. I'm going to show you exactly how to basically get it correct. I'm going to give you the place to go. It's a software that creates it for you so you don't have to pull out WordPress and word processors and Microsoft Word to build it yourself, okay? You can do this by yourself by just clicking the download button. So you see this guy here, he made $16,000. This guy here, or this lady right here, she made over $16,000. So a lot of people are making $16,000. So imagine you creating a profile right now. I want you to do this right now, okay? Pause the video if you need to and create your profile on templatemonster.com. That's all you have to do. Click on start selling. How easy was that, right? You can either click on become an author or start selling. And the great thing about the site, millions of people every single month come here to order templates all over the world, okay? And yes, it works all over the world. Smash the like button if you're outside of the United States of America, because I get it. Sometimes they don't have things like this or sites available in your country, okay? Start selling. It's time to make some money, baby. I'm going to sit up. Come on, let's go. Look. Hey, can you scream back to me right now? Let's go. All right, look. So we're going to click on either sign up, or you can sign up with your Facebook and Google. It takes about 30 seconds and you're done. So if I click on the sign up button here, you put in your email address, whatever yours is. It could be like bighead@yahoo.com. I don't know what it is. Put your password in there, agree to the terms, and you create your account. Okay? Are you guys with me so far? All right, so once you log in, you're going to create your account. Now, listen, before I get back here, you probably want to know, well, Wesley, how do I just make money online, and how do I get a resume created very quickly here? Because I'm going to create my profile, and listen, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it faster, but I need to give you the software that's going to generate the templates for you. So every time someone buy your service, buy your template, it's going to take about 30 seconds to give them exactly what they're asking for. Does that make sense? Go to the site, Crello.com. I know what you're thinking, Wesley, I love you so much. Wesley, all these free ways to make money online. And listen, you got to put in the work. I'm not going to lie to you. I make it super easy, but you still got to pull your hands out of your pocket and put in the work. Go to Crello.com. Crello, you go to the search bar here. And the great thing about this site, you can do Instagram posts, Facebook posts, any type of design that you want for free, go here, okay, for future. So smash the like button, because I gave you a site that you can do all the things on the internet for free. You don't have to spend a dime. Type in resume, okay, and look here, boom, boom, bada, bing, thousands of templates that you basically can give people here once you have your profile created on templatemonster.com, right? These people here, and this is probably what a lot of these guys are doing, right? And that's what you're going to do today. Thousands of resumes that you can just utilize for free. You just sign up. I already have an account, but let me show you how to sign up. It takes 20 seconds. Sign up. Can you do that? You know your email, bighead@yahoo.com, right? Your big old antelope head. I love you. Put your password in, sign up, and you're done. Click on the login button here, okay? And then you just log into your account. And then what you do is, you might like a resume like this. You click on it, and then it gives you the availability to edit it. You can use the template, and then you just download it. See how easy that was? Look, you take the template, say if somebody buy your resume, you go here, put their first name in here, and the template is pretty much already done, and you just give it to them. Does that make sense? It takes 30 seconds to do this. How many of you can do that? Now, I know what the question is. I know what the pervasive question that's in your mind, Wesley. Well, Mr. Virgin, okay, I get it, but how do I get people to go to the site? Because no one knows me, right? No one knows who you are. You're just that big head girl or boy that's trying to make money online, that's watching Wesley Virgin's videos every single day to make more money online. You want that $16,000. I get it. Look, smash the like button for this one and comment below. Listen, this is what you do, okay? Go back to all products. Go to graphics, resume templates, okay? What you want to do is click on bestsellers, okay? Now these guys, they're bestsellers for a reason. That means that their profiles are very attractable. So all you need to do is choose one. What I would do is choose the person that's making the most money, this guy. Click on his profile, and all you need to do when you create your account right now, I'm going to let you do that because that's simple to do. It takes 30 seconds to do, okay? All you want to do is model everything that this guy has done. Everything. Model it, right? Even this stuff. Model everything when you create your profile. And the great thing about it, you don't need any reviews. But this is how you get discovered faster. You're going to copy this guy's tags. See? That's how you do it. You copy the guy's tags. So when people search, you're going to pop up along with them. Does that make sense? Right? Copy everything, okay? And then you're done. You post it, right? And you're going to watch people flood in. And let me tell you something. This can happen. I've seen people do this like right now within 24 hours to get a paycheck. I mean, actually get someone to buy their service. I've seen people in a week or in a month make like $16,000. Look at how many people all around the world that's making 16. This person made like what? That's $9,000 here. Look, this person here made $1,700 so far since inception. And the great thing, no one knows about it. No one really knows about it. How many of you right now are going to do this? I want you to do this right now. Very simple. Do this right now. Watch the video again if you missed on anything. And remember, in the description below, if you want to make $10,000 per month with me, I'm going to show you how to create an online product within 30 days flat. If not, I will pay you money. In the link below, click it. Much love. This is Wesley, billion dollar virgin. Let's go. Let go.